what's up? It's your girl Amber, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be quick, but I am going to be doing my unboxing of a new package that I got, and I can't wait for you guys to see what it is. All right.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
All right, guys. So you guys just saw the clip of my husband and I putting it together, and I guess this is the time where we will now show the ring light and what it does. Okay. All right, guys. So this is my natural lighting right now, and I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like with the ring light. So here we go. So just turned it on, and it gets brighter and brighter. Ooh, and brighter. And this is at its highest level right now of the light. So this is what we're looking like. Okay. And then we're going to dim it down a little bit. Yes. To like a medium right here. Okay, she popping. Okay, and then it goes down more to about right here. Okay, and this is pretty much like the low. So low lighting right here. And that's about it. So it also it comes with this remote. And basically it is Bluetooth compatible to either Android or iPhones or anything Apple pretty much. So it's super easy. You just click it on. Once the lights start blinking, it'll just compare to your phone when you go to your settings to your Bluetooth. And if you press it one time, it will take a picture if you're on your picture setting. But if you're on your video setting, it will start the video. And then if you click it again, it'll turn it off. So it's a pretty cool setting. So I will be starting to film with this ring light. Okay. And I'm so excited. And then this is with the settings off, all the lights off, and just the ring light. Okay. And I'm gonna turn it up some more. Ooh. And it gets brighter. So yes, guys. This is what we're looking like with the ring light. So yes, guys, if you would like this ring light, I will leave the link down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. I did get this from Amazon, and I really like it so far. So gonna play with it some more, but I'm super excited. And yeah, if you guys want it, link down in the description box below. So again, if you guys love this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Duh, gotta subscribe. So again, Amber loves you, and see you next time on the next video. Peace.